I don't know if I'm gonna get this job or not. I feel like I'm not good enough for my girlfriend. Nin explains, overcoming self-doubt. Everyone has self-doubts. Even the most successful and mentally tough people have self-doubts from time to time. In fact, I think it's the #1 killer of people's dreams. Hell, even I have them sometimes. You could have picked up self-doubts from anywhere. Bad parenting, bad schooling, bad experiences in the past. It can cripple you for life, and it'll ensure that you lead a life full of misery, unfulfillment, and defeat. Okay, I understand that. Help? Well, to overcome self-doubt, you have to understand how it works. Now, firstly, you would have got a thought in your head, either from someone telling you, or you experiencing something bad, or even you telling yourself that. Secondly, you'll start to feel that it's true. You'll start to feel that the comments that other people are making about you are true. You'll start to believe the lies that you tell yourself. Thirdly, if you don't think that you're good enough, and if you don't feel that you're good enough, chances are you're not going to be. You won't behave like you're good enough. This is basically how self-doubt works, and it's a negative cycle that feeds itself. The worse you think, the worse you feel, the less you'll do, and the cycle repeats. So if you're not confident on getting that job, if you don't think that you're good enough for your other half, if you don't think you have what it takes, chances are that you'll probably act that out and it'll become true for you. The solution? Put a different thought in your head. It's that simple. Let's try it again. If you think that you're good enough, if your people think that you're good enough, if you've had good experiences, you'll start to feel that this is true. You'll start to believe your friends' compliments. You'll start to have good experiences, feel good with your experiences. And you'll start to believe the words that you tell yourself. If you think you're good enough and you feel that you're good enough, chances are you probably will act that out. You'll probably behave like you're good enough. And once again, this forms a nice positive circle. Keep doing it. With every cycle, this bond gets stronger and stronger and stronger. Try this out for the next week. Get a different positive thought in your head and watch as your self-doubts disappear. You'll think to yourself, geez, why didn't I do this sooner? If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook from my website, follow me on social media. But on a closing note guys, it's common to have self-doubts. Now that you know how it works, do the opposite. Form a positive circle, increase self-confidence, and watch your self-doubts disappear. Any questions or comments? You know what to do. Oh, there goes my stomach. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook. If you like this video, please be sure to not download. Why is my stomach rumbling?